Can I be honest with you for a second? I have been feeling like I'm falling behind, and I know I'm not the only one. If you're new here, hi, my name is Darlene, and on my channel, I talk about beauty, fashion, and about building a life that we love at this season in our lives. But today, I want to bring you something that is a little bit more personal. Because if I'm being real, AI has been moving so fast. And while I've been showing up, making content, staying consistent, in the back of my mind, I'm feeling like, wait a minute, do I really know what's going on? Am I really keeping up with the way things are changing literally every day? And I know some of you probably are thinking right now, wait, is she okay? Is she gonna be slowing down? Are we not gonna be seeing as much of her as before? Let me just say this, sis. I'm not going anywhere. You're still gonna be getting beauty. You're still gonna be getting fashion. You're still gonna be inspired. You're still going to see me. I'm still showing up even more than you probably think. But I made a decision for the month of April to only upload once a week, and that's going to be on Sunday. And this is not me doing less. This is me getting really focused, because deep in my heart, I have loved the industry of making money online, specifically with digital products. So I'm going to be taking this month of April to literally rebuild my Stand store, which is where I host all of my digital products, so that they make sense and so that they convert better. I'm going to be creating more email sequences so that they nurture and so that they sell better. I'm definitely going to be simplifying and strengthening my offers to the ladies out there, and really learn AI in a way that I work smarter and not harder, because it is definitely not necessary where we are right now in this time. Because y'all, I believe there is a way to build my business and for you to build your business, for us not to have to do everything. There are some things that we simply no longer have to do, and we should do, because what we are avoiding is burnout. And especially because it is an industry that I love, I don't want to experience that. And I was starting to feel it a little bit. Though I've had my weeks planned and my days planned, even down to the hours, there are certain things that I know I can delegate for my AI to do so that I don't have to do, but I need to take time to learn it and to set it up so that it works for me. And if I can figure out how to do it the right way, and I know I can, I'm going to come back and show you exactly what I did. Because I know a lot of you are here for the beauty, for the fashion, but there are a few of you here who are also for the extra income, learning, wanting to know, trying to figure it out. You're a midlife baddie just like me, right? And maybe you're getting ready to retire. Maybe you can't retire, and maybe you're just trying to figure out now in your latter years, how can you more so enjoy life without continuously doing something that you don't enjoy? Like, I am so blessed that I am doing something that I love. Makeup and newly fashion is like breathing to me. Like, it is my escape. And then I threw in digital marketing, digital assets, learning how to make money online. That is something that so intrigued me, because though I am not technical, though I am not an IT person at all, in my mind, I think I am. I'm highly interested in it. I consider myself a forever student. I will probably still be in school today if I could afford to go and just learn. But listen, I could not. But I love learning. And this is an area that I want to dive deep into. So for the month of April, I am building, and I want to take you right along with me. So moving forward, you're going to start seeing more of my strategy. You're going to start seeing more of behind the scenes and how this actually turns into income. Girl, but we are not giving up on the beauty. We are not giving up on the fashion. Girl, we still going strong with that. But I'm still going to trickle in a little bit more because I know that if I can do this at 56 years old, girl, you can certainly do this if this is something you desire to do. So if you've been feeling like I need to refocus, I need to reset, I need to level up, this is certainly your sign. Make sure you subscribe because, girl, the next version of me is definitely going to be the better version of me. So remember, my main upload just for the month of April is going to be on Sundays. Well, girl, you can still find me on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, TikTok Shop, and even a little bit on Facebook. And remember, if you need help, if you have a desire to start YouTube yourself, I will help you. I can help you. So I will have a link below if you just want to have a clarity call. What is it that you're trying to do? Maybe you've already started YouTube and you're kind of stuck and you're trying to get to the next level. You're trying to figure out how to get more views. You're just trying to figure out some things and you just need to talk about it. Girl, I'll have all the information listed below in the description. So if this is your first time, hey girl, love you guys. Thank you always for showing up. You might as well subscribe if you made it to the end of this video. And to my day ones, you know that I love you and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Girl, I know this was a short video, but trust, on Sunday, I got a long video for y'all, so I'm gonna let you rest today. Because the video coming on Sunday gonna be about 45 minutes long, okay? All right, y'all. Have a fabulous weekend. Bye.